Need to stop unwanted messages or calls on Viber? Learn how to block someone and regain control over your communication on the app. Blocking someone on Viber prevents them from sending you messages, making calls, or seeing your online status and profile updates. It's an effective way to manage your privacy and avoid unwanted interactions. Viber does not notify the person that you have blocked them. So, what you want to do is, from the Viber app, go to the chat of the person you want to block. Then, swipe right for chat options. Here, scroll down for a second. By the bottom, you should see an option labeled Block this contact. Tap on that option. And just like that, it'll show that you have now blocked the contact. This means that they will no longer be able to send you any messages of any sort to Viber and vice versa. That's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.